Hey friends, welcome to the Paper Girly Studio. My name is Mitzi and I'm a paper girly. Today in studio, I'm gonna real quick open up and share some fun Happy Mail that I received today. But first things first, if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe, and thanks for checking me out. And if you're a returner, welcome back. So glad you're here hanging out with me again. I love getting Happy Mail. I love getting the notifications about getting Happy Mail. I love going to my mailbox to pick up my Happy Mail. And best of all, I love opening Happy Mail. This first Happy Mail is actually from my friend Natalie, and she reused the Happy Mail envelope from the Hubman and Chubb Girl subscription that we're both subscribers to, and she sends me all kinds of fun stuff. She lives out in Wisconsin. We don't get to see each other very much, but we love paper, I think, equally as much, and so we like sending back and forth little Happy Meal packages of all the kind of stuff that we both love. So first up here, it looks like these are some very delicate butterflies. All the colors that I love. I don't know if these just came in this color or if she just happened to give me this color because she knows that I love pastels. But those are great. Next up, we have, it looks kind of like some emo stickers. Now, these aren't necessarily my vibe, but I do appreciate them. And I think the last time that she sent me these, I gave them to my daughter. And I think I told her, so she probably sending these out for Molly as well, because this is kind of my daughter's vibe. So those are fun. Let's see. Next up, oh goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah, this is exciting. So this is a little folder. Yes, a little folder from Hubman and Chubb Girl, and in here we have, well, I like this. This is right up my alley. This is definitely my vibe. I love stamps. I do a lot of mailing. I do pen pals. I do these little Happy Mail back and forth with friends. I love anything that is mail adjacent as well, because mail is paper, right? So I brought you in a little bit closer, and there is a little bit of a glare, but unfortunately that is just kind of what happens on transparent stickers. You get a little bit of a glare sometimes from the light overhead. But these are cute. There's a lot of mushrooms, nature, flowers, everything that I like. And so I will use these in my journal. I'm thinking of different ways that I can use these little stamps. I am a fan of that. Okay, and what else do we have in here? So next up, oh, some little washi stickers. Oh, these are cute. Let's see. A little bear with a mushroom. Oh, this is lots of mushrooms. Let's see. I'm out of frame there. Geez. Okay, some little bears and some little critters, squirrels. All kinds of cute little things here, but I like these. These are nice little washi stickers, so they're real thin to put inside journals. So those are nice. I am digging that. And then, of course, we have the Hubman and Chubb Girl. Oh, cows. Cows and sweet treats. Very cute. Very cute. I love cows. I love cows. Obviously, I'm into photography, doing YouTube videos and all that. So those are cute. And those are so sweet from, I think it is actually from Sweet Town, the most current subscription that we got. Only I don't get these stickers in mine. So that is nice. I love that little binder. We actually get 2 different subscription plans, and that way we get to flip-flop and share with each other. So next up we have sticker sheets. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that in a second. So first up we have the Hello Kitty stickers. Now Natalie knows that I love Hello Kitty, and so I think it's a really easy thing for her to grab me anytime she sees them. And vice versa, she loves Coca-Cola, so I get her Coca-Cola stuff when I see it. So those are cute. And then we have old school strawberry shortcake. I think strawberry shortcake's coming back around because I've seen a lot of those lately. So, oh, hold on. Oh, yeah, that came off. That came off of there when I opened it up. So let me get that little apple back on here. So we'll stick that back on here and keep going. So these are just some of these fun little cartoon word stickers. I'm actually planning on using these when I start doodling. My big doodle inspiration for this year partly comes from this, to be able to kind of draw some cartoony characters and use these little word captions, is that what they're called? Stickers, to add to those. Then we have a washi tape, sample tape. And we have, again, the Sanrio, we have Pooh, and we have some books. So that is everything that I got from Natalie. And now I will go through everything that I have purchased for her the last probably 3 to 6 weeks, and I will put together a box and send it back. So next up, we have sterling ink. Now I downsized from my Hubman and Chub Girl, the ultimate, to just the Hobonichi Cousin subscription, just so that I could get this subscription as well. And I have just been impressed with the first one that I got. This is the second one. I think they do excellent in protecting their stickers with the double envelope and the extra cardboards. So it has the brandings, the sterling ink in the gold, which I think is really, really classy. And it comes in this craft paper envelope. I got the sterling ink complete planner this year. It's my first time using sterling ink, and so that's why I decided I wanted to get the sticker subscription as well, to really give it 100% effort into figuring out if this was going to be for me. So I'm liking these colors already. So it comes with the 2 vellum sheets. Let's see. Oh, that is cute. Oh, I like that pink couch. I love pink. And then it has the coffee cup. This is right up my alley. This is just all the stuff that I like. And then this is gorgeous. Oh, look at these colors. That is nice. I am digging that. Okay, let's get the glare off of that so you can really see it. Oh, that is really pretty. I love those florals. Let's see, do I have it up right? No, that's the right way. Yeah. So, yes, I haven't figured out a way to use vellum sheets yet, but I am slowly collecting them here, the Coffee Monster Co., just anywhere that they happen to have them available, I am grabbing them. So next up we have the stickers, and I'm just going to real quick go through these. I got the washi stickers, but you do get a couple of vinyls as well. And the vinyls are nice because the colors are really, really bright on the vinyls. And so I will be using this somewhere. And then in this little envelope, you get all your extra little bits, another not washi sticker, another vinyl sticker, and then you have all of these little bits that you can use. Now, a lot of the stickers are the same, I noticed from last time, so I'm not going to go through every single sticker sheet. I love these tabs. I am setting up my planner month to month. Then you get the calendar and then you get a card. But yes, a lot of the stickers are the same thing, but they are just gorgeous, gorgeous colors and prints. So here we have some that are individual. These aren't repeated over and over again. They are the floral stickers that you always get. And they, ooh, goodness, let me get you in here. I'm still trying to learn how to be in frame. I'm not a professional. So those are some florals. Here we have some more florals. And I'm not sure if the camera is picking up or not, but there is a little bit of silver detail on that. And then we have all of these other stickers, and they're variations of the same things over and over again. And then you also have your dates. So that is what you get in the sticker pack. So this is just a quick overview of everything that you get. You get the 2 pieces of vellum paper, and then you get 16 other sheets of stickers and whatnot. And goodness gracious, for $35, I don't think that could be beat. That's at like around $1.60 a piece. Oh my gosh. I just was putting this away and I found, let's see, what do we have in here? Okay, come on, Mitzi, let's get in here. I found 3 more items. You have a big calendar, you have dates, and then you have days. Oh my goodness. So let's see. That is cute. Oh, I have it upside down. I love this script here. So, goodness gracious. So that's even better. So let's do quick math. 21 for $35. That is around $1.80 a sheet or an item. And free shipping on top of everything. I don't think that you can beat that price anywhere for things that are of this quality. And for me, I love getting quality stuff at a great, great deal. Okay, so last but not least, we have the Coffee Monster Co. Now, I am super excited about this because I was not planning on receiving this for a couple of more days. Sometimes tracking doesn't update, I think, on the shop app. So here we go. So first off, I got Emily. I don't think I've had Emily before. So that is cool. This is stuff that I purchased back in, I want to say, end of November, beginning of December, before the shop closed down for January. So here we have Floral Forest 2.0, and that is very cute. I like those little flowers. And the next up we have Icetown Washi, and it's got some nice little foiling on that. That is very, very cute and very wintry. I'm digging that. And then last up we have the Winter Critters 2.0. And these are just kind of those PJ Kids emojis, but with some foiling as well. Then we have the card. Oh, a nice new one. That is fun. I like to put these inside my Hobonichi, kind of on the monthly pages. And then we have vellum paper. And this is the first vellum that I've been able to get from the Coffee Monster Co. So I'm very excited about this. So this first one is the Happy Crafts. And then we have Stationery Dreams. Has a little scissors, a little motis. Fun, fun. And then we have Helen's sketchbook. Now, I was able to get a plastic folder that had this on, or something very similar to this on, and I liked these little sketches. So we have 3 vellums and the card. Oh, nice little extra little card in there. Wasn't expecting that. And then the Chapter 12, 2025, the extra bonus little sticker sheet. So that is going to be it for me. It's just going to be short and sweet today. I have something planned for my next video that I'm very excited about. So please like and subscribe so that I'm easy to find. Thanks for joining me today. Until then, from one paper girly to another. Bye.